Today, we will address the issue of why your Apple TV screen is flashing on and off and how to resolve it. This problem often arises due to incompatible HDMI cables, especially with modern 4K Apple TVs where low-quality HDMI cables can cause screen flashing. Additionally, outdated Apple TV software can also trigger this issue. To fix this problem, start by updating your Apple TV's firmware. Press the Settings button on your Apple TV, navigate to the System, and select System Updates. Click on Update Software, and if an update is available, download it. Ensure that your Apple TV remains plugged in and connected to the internet during this process. Once the download is complete, restart your Apple TV and install the software update. After the installation, the Apple TV will restart again. Monitor the screen to see if the flashing issue is resolved. Next, check the HDMI cables. Ensure that the cables are securely connected to both the Apple TV and your television. Verify that the HDMI cables support the necessary bandwidth for your device. If you are unsure about the compatibility of your HDMI cables, contact Apple support at 800-275-2275-2273. This number is for residents of the United States and Canada. For those outside these regions, visit support.apple.com for the appropriate contact information. That's it. Fixing the flashing issue on your Apple TV is straightforward. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.